In this video, I will show you how you can make over $1,000 a month passively. And I mean passively. So I will show you how you can create digital patterns using Pattern.AI. So this is an AI tool that is hardly being talked about. I know everyone is talking about ChatGPT. This one, I think it is something worth mentioning, and I want to show you guys how you can use Pattern.AI to create lovely patterns that you can sell this weekend or from today or tonight, whenever you were looking at this video. You can start your business today. So if you already have a business going and you're looking to start something new on the side, I think this is a video for you. If you're working a dead-end job and you really hate that job, this is a video for you. Guys, it makes no sense to have one stream of income. You need 2 and 3 these days, all right, in order to survive. So listen up, this video is going to be hot. So this Pattern.AI tool, as I said, is not being talked about much, but you can easily go into Pattern.AI and create some lovely patterns by entering simple prompts. So in my example, I entered some butterfly prompts where I have green and different colors, and basically the output was very good, right? It gave me a variety of different styles that I actually can use to sell. All right, so I will just show you how you can sell these on Etsy. There are many patterns being sold on Etsy and many different styles. There are flower patterns, there are stars, galaxy style, and we also have the Easter bunny because of obviously Easter is coming up soon. And you have the watercolor and several other options. Okay, so guys, we're looking at the Groovy Retro digital paper set, and this one, the total monthly revenue is $320. Okay, you can see the total sales, we have 142. So the digital paper here, the total sales, the estimated sales, we have over $3,000 a month and 38 sales a month. Okay guys, so we have this digital bundle here. It is large, very large, and it is 5,500. Okay, and the total sales we have is 458 sales. So that is total sales, not the estimated revenue, right? So now to get the estimated revenue, you have to multiply that by the cost, which is $30, right? And in the past 7 days, it had one sale so far. So I would like to examine this sweet shop. And as you can see, they only sell digital papers, and as you can see here, there are several persons who have this in cart. Over 20 persons have this in cart, and the weekly sales are 391 sales. Okay, that is 391. Again, that's a total sales. So if you want, we can estimate that with the average price. Let's say the average price is $225. So the total sales a month, for the week, will be $882, just an estimate. So guys, if you are enjoying the information that you're getting, please subscribe below. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so apart from selling these passively on Etsy, you can also use that same pattern that you've created and create products with these using a print-on-demand company such as Printify, Printful, or even ThisNew. So basically, I like ThisNew. ThisNew is not an American-owned company, but they are based in China. But they do have a plethora of different items that you wouldn't normally see on Printify and Printful. So it's worth taking a look. You can check it out and see what floats your boat. But how I would use this is probably, whichever sale is coming in, you can test it out, put a listing there, and if it is selling very well, you can probably have a few of those printed out and ship to you, and you can ship out to your customers, whichever is easier for you. So I will just show you briefly what ThisNew has, and also what Printify has, in store for you guys. Okay guys, so let us first look at Printify. You can put any of your design patterns on any of the items that you're looking at here. Okay, as you can see, you can put any design here on the socks and the underwear, the swimsuits, the bags. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like on a two-piece swimsuit. Okay, so that's a front view and this is the back view. And here's a close-up shot of how it look, you know. So guys, these patterns can make you a lot of money if you know how to use it. So here's another example of the pattern on a phone case. Okay, as you can see, it is very lovely. This is how it looks. And guys, these can be sold on your website or Etsy or Amazon or anywhere you'd like to sell this. Let us look at ThisNew. So ThisNew, as I said, it has a lot, many different products, and you can place your pattern on any one of these shoes, as you can see. And they even have something as the unisex rubber shoes, which is different. They also have custom round toe boots, which is something I have never seen. Also on Printify, and they have slippers. They do have a lot of stuff. Okay, so guys, this is how the pattern is looking on the shoes. It is beautiful, and this is something definitely you can do and sell in your store. So if you have any questions to what I put forward to you today, please feel free to ask below, or you can sign up for one-on-one coaching, right? My price is very reasonable. Sign up and we can, you know, continue a conversation, okay? Or ask a question below, it doesn't matter. Also, if you have a business that you are running already, right, I would like you to, you know, download my 50 starter hooks that you can use to create your short videos, short social media videos. And that can be TikTok, it can be Instagram Reels, and it can be YouTube Shorts, okay? So use these free 50 prompts that I have here. You can find that below and download these today, okay? I also have other free items, so check below and see what other free goodies you can use to help you on your business journey. So if you want to see other ways in which you can make money passively, check out this video next.